Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm not really doing anything, no real plans. Just kind of wanted to get out and ride around and tell you guys a little bit about me. So that's what the video today is going to be a little bit about. I kind of wanted to get out and ride around today before it rains. There's supposed to be a really bad storm at like 4 o'clock. So we got like 2 hours to get out and kind of hang out a little bit today. So just kind of chilling. Feels good today. It's like mid 70s or so. So this is my channel. It's called Adrenaline Overdrive now. I just changed the name a couple weeks ago. So I am 25 years old. I'm originally from the St. Louis area, and then in 2023, the summer of 2023, I moved to the Milwaukee area. So I'm from St. Louis. I'm in the Illinois Army National Guard. I've been in for 8 years now. I actually met my girlfriend through the Guard back in 2021 when we were both deployed to the Middle East. Now we live together and we have a dog named Josie. I'll put a picture of Josie in here. She's super cute. But I first started riding motorcycles back in 2019, I think it was. I had a Kawasaki Ninja 650 and I rode that to college sometimes. I had that bike for a little over a year. I didn't ride it as much as I wanted to or thought I would, just because I was kind of afraid of dying on it. So I quit riding for a couple years, and then last year I bought this motorcycle. It's a 2023 Kawasaki it's a 2023 Harley Davidson Nightster Special. I've done quite a bit to this thing. I've got the fairing, got lights on it, changes of front turn signals most recently. Got some saddlebags on it. It's got an SNS aftermarket exhaust. So I have this bike. My girlfriend has a little 50cc scooter that she bought from her brother. So there's a video of that on the channel too, just me changing out the brake fluid on it. Another motorcycle I have right now in my garage is a 1984 Honda Goldwing Aspencade. I got that thing non-running, and then on my channel you can see me fix it up and get it running. I went on a couple smaller drives on it, and it's been doing good ever since. I haven't had any issues with it. I don't ride it very often. I'm actually trying to sell it now. I kind of bought it as like a flip type deal where I would buy it, refix it, and then resell it after I got done fixing it, just for a little extra money. I started the YouTube channel just for kind of like as an extra hobby, and then it was kind of funny because a week or so after I started posting on the channel, my girlfriend was like, oh, you should make videos about you rebuilding the Goldwing, and that'd be kind of cool. Little did she know that I started already. She knows about the channel now though, so she watches some of it, I think, at least. And yeah, so that's kind of what my channel's about a little bit. I like riding motorcycles. I like doing fun stuff on the motorcycles. I like doing fun stuff with motorcycles. So there's going to be a lot of motorcycle content on my channel. There's probably going to be some other stuff like miscellaneous things thrown in there in the future. Next year when I move back down to Illinois, or the St. Louis area in Illinois, I want to flip cars basically, so there might be a little bit of that too, or I'll start a second YouTube channel just for that. So that's pretty much what this is about. We're riding through some twisties today, just kind of hanging out in the Kettle Moraine area of Wisconsin, southeastern portion of Wisconsin. There's a lot of twisty roads here and a lot of good scenery, so I'm kind of just enjoying that before it decides to storm. Hopefully I don't get caught in the storm, but I guess you guys will see. Sometimes I run out of ideas really easily, and then I just kind of ride around and do stuff like this. Like my recent video where I went to Milwaukee and rode around Milwaukee, and then went and saw Jeff Dahmer's apartment. That was kind of like a spontaneous thing. I was just out hanging out and decided to record. So let me know kind of what you guys want to see, just to get some ideas going. I don't know if you guys want to see more of just me riding around and having fun, or if you guys want something more structured. Also, make sure that you guys like this video. It really helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. My plans in the future for this channel are to just kind of do motorcycle stuff, and then eventually I want to get to the point where I can maybe give away some motorcycles. So that would be really cool. In that video that I went to Milwaukee, it was pretty warm. But even though it's warm, I always wear at least a jacket and a helmet. Like right now, I'm just wearing jeans. I should probably wear better shoes, but jeans and a t-shirt, not a t-shirt, jeans and tennis shoes, and then my jacket and helmet. The reason why I think it's super duper important to wear a helmet is because you never know when something could happen. You could be the most experienced rider and you're still gonna have a crash. I work in the public safety area, so I've seen numerous people get in really bad motorcycle crashes. Personally, I've had 2 of my friends get killed in motorcycle crashes. The first one was the 4th of July in 2020. One of my friends from the Army, it's a girl, she was riding her motorcycle on a road kind of like this, and there was a car oncoming who pulled into some kind of restaurant or something. So it's like a road like this, they were coming oncoming and then turned and pulled into a restaurant. It was pretty sudden. My friend had no time to stop, and she was not wearing a helmet. She collided with that car and she passed away from it. So I think that if she were wearing a helmet, she would at least be alive still. I don't know how fast she was going for that. It's hard to say. My other friend that died on a motorcycle, I was actually deployed with him. This was 4th of July in 2024, so about a year ago. He was riding his motorcycle. He was going in excess of the speed limit, definitely in the triple digits. He was riding his motorcycle, and same kind of thing happened where a car was at an intersection and they conducted a left turn from the intersection, so they turned right in front of him. He didn't have time to take evasive measures, and he crashed into that car, and then both he and his motorcycle kept going because of the rate of speed they were going, and they crashed into a parked Jeep. He was wearing a helmet. That helmet wouldn't have saved his life, and it didn't. So there was no survivable outcome for that crash due to his recklessness, unfortunately. So that's why I wear protective gear. You can either do stupid stuff and get really hurt on a motorcycle, or you can be a really safe rider and still get hurt on a motorcycle. I think I'm going to take this thing back out to where I took the Gold Wing, where I took some pictures. I really like that area. It's a pretty scenic road, an area to be in, so I might go hang out there for a little while. This summer, I'm going to go to the Harley homecoming on the first 2 days, so July 10th and 11th, because naturally I have military stuff on the 12th and 13th. So I wish I could go to the full thing, but I won't be able to. So I'm gonna hang out with her 2 wheels, hopefully, not sure about that yet, but that'd be cool. So make sure you guys subscribe to see a little bit of that. Should be a really good time. Gonna go hang out and do some of those activities over there, so that'll be a good time. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe if you want to see a little bit of that. If you guys go, it'd be cool to let me know, and maybe I can meet some of you guys. So here's the area I went to take that first video. It's on highway and up here. You gotta follow Paradise Springs Nature Trail. So that's kind of where I was for this video. It's a pretty cool area. Yeah, love this area out here. There's not very many cars that come out here either, so it's kind of nice just to ride through at a slower rate and just look out at everything. It'd be cool if I could bring the motorcycle back there on some of the trails, but I'm sure DNR wouldn't be too happy about that. Right up here is the area where I took those pictures of the Goldwing in that last video. Yeah, there's a little river that runs through. I've never stood up on this motorcycle, so that was kind of weird. In that last video, I turned right here. I'm gonna kind of go straight, just to show you guys a little bit more than what you saw last time. Is so much fun. It's like 90 degrees out today and my GoPro is almost dead naturally, so I forgot to bring extra batteries, so I kind of just hung out here, charged my GoPro on my phone mount, and now I'm gonna ride back home. Alright guys, I gotta run home and do some errands and then do some things around the house, so I think that's gonna be it for today. Make sure you guys like this video and then subscribe if you want to see some more videos in the future like this. I've got a couple other videos posted on my channel that are similar to this that you guys might like, so make sure you guys check those out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Thanks.